Good morning, everyone. We thank you for joining us in our Sinulog celebration here in the company honoring Senior Santo Niño. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to Reverend Father Alvin Villaflores for presiding over our Eucharistic celebration and for sharing with us his inspiring message. We also wish to recognize and thank our managers for their presence and support, Sir Loloy, Ma'am Connie, Ma'am Betsy, Sir Rene, Sir Alan, Sir Jumari, and Attorney Antonio. Your guidance and encouragement make it possible for us to celebrate our faith together as one company family. Today, we also joyfully celebrate the birthday of our beloved matriarch, Ma'am Oviway. We thank the Lord for the gift of her life, her leadership, and her inspiration to all of us. May Senior Santo Niño continue to bless her with good health, happiness, and wisdom. Our appreciation also goes to the organizing committee, altar server, choir, lector, and all volunteers who dedicated their time and effort to make this celebration meaningful. We acknowledge our colleagues and department heads who contributed resources and talents, as well as all those who offer this Mass